Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to set up boot menu and install Windows in BIOSTAR B550MH motherboard. For that, press F9 and after coming this step, here you see UEFI pen drive and legacy pen drive. If your BIOS mode setting is UEFI and hard disk partition style is GPT, then you need to select UEFI from here. Other hand, if your BIOS mode is legacy and hard disk partition style is MBR, then you need to select legacy from here. My hard disk partition style is GPT, so I will select UEFI and enter. Next, install now, check mark. Next, install. Here you see a lot of partition. You need to delete recovery, reserve, system and C drive. You must need to backup data from C drive before deleting C drive. I have backed up my data before deleting the C drive. Now click next. After expanding data and before restarting, you must need to remove the pen drive from PC because I don't know if the fast boot priority is SSD or pen drive. If the pen drive is the fast boot priority, then the reinstallation will continue. So removing the pen drive will not cause any problem. If you have previously turned off your internet connection, these options will not appear and install Windows easily. If you have connection, you click offline and click limited connection and you give here a username and next. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.